Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading for Aquarius, and this is a no contact no communication reading. So this is a general reading, please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So the roles can be reversed, it can be you or your partner's energy. So see how it resonates. Okay, let's see what do the cards have for you, Aquarius. Overall energy in this situation. What is the overall energy in this situation? What is the overall energy in this situation? All right. What does the person think about you? What does the person think about you? What is happening is everybody is having this ego thing in my readings today. At least this is the fourth reading having the same energy in the same, same condition, the thoughts. What does the person feel for you here? What does the person feel for you here? What does the person feel for you here? My cards are charged, so yeah, that's not the problem. What does the person feel for you here? What does the person feel for you here, Aquarius? Please give me the readings for Aquarius. What does the person feel? What does the person feel for Aquarius? Alright. Okay, what has caused the silence in this situation? What has caused silence in this situation? What has caused silence in this situation? What has caused silence in this situation? Alright. What is the blockage here? What is blocking this connection? What is the blockage here? What is blocking this connection? What is the blockage here? What is blocking this connection? Okay. Let's see what is the next move, if any, is going to happen in next 1 to 2 weeks from now. Next move in 1 to 2 weeks from now. Next move in 1 to 2 weeks from now for Aquarius. What is going to happen in next 1 to 2 weeks from now for Aquarius? Just a second, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll take this. What is the advice for Aquarius here? What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice for Aquarius? Okay, I think one card just flipped. Okay. What is the advice for Aquarius? Alright. Okay, so we take this also. Okay. Bottom of the deck we have 6 of Swords. So you are either planning to move towards a calmer water because you have been dealing with so much that you are now focusing on taking a move for yourself and moving towards what gives you peace, mental peace, emotional peace. Okay, now let's see in details what do the cards have for you. So the overall energy here is to be patient. Okay, you need to be patient in this situation. You need to be very calm, very composed in this situation and deal with the situation in a most peaceful way, I would say. Okay, be very caring, be very nurturing towards yourself. Also, don't give up on yourself and focus on what is for your good, for your highest good. Okay, so yeah, now let's see what does the person think about you. So here I feel like the person is in somewhere in a revengeful energy. It can be your energy, it can be your person's energy. See how it's resonating with you. If not, it may not be your story. So for some of you I see there is an energy of being in a revengeful mindset that okay, this happened to me, now this is how I am going to react and make the other person feel uh, maybe to pull the other person down somewhere, right? So it's like I am the superior one here, nobody can hurt me, nobody can deal with this in this particular manner with me, and I know how to make the other person feel the same way. Okay, not a good energy. Okay, now let's see what does the person feel for you. I think the person is very positive, either you or your person. One of you is very positive for the other one, which is somewhere, you know, cause that feeling of being controlled by the other person. Okay, but it's like the person is too much possessive, like they hold on to things, either they are holding on to what happened, or they are very possessive or very controlling towards you. Okay, it's like whatever you do they need to be aware of it, but somewhere because of that causes issue. And for some of you it can also be taking too much of control over money, or having too much money related things in their mind, that somewhere that emotional connection is missing. Okay, from this connection. Okay, let's see why have they gone silent. Yeah, see, I was seeing, right, somewhere that emotional connection is missing. Yep. So either from your end or from your person end, somewhere I feel this lack of emotional connection, emotional support, emotional availability, that care and nurturing thing which a person looks for in a relation is somewhere missing, and that is causing that, you know, that is causing, one second, just adjusting the brightness. Yeah, that is somewhere causing that silence, that okay, whatever I say, my person will not understand, doesn't make sense to explain, right? Because they will not understand. That is also somewhere the energy is, which is causing that lack of emotional connection in this situation, basically. Okay, whatever is happening. Now let's see what is causing the blockage here. I think something happened which was not expected. Something happened either from your end or from your person end which was not expected by either of you, and that has somewhere caused this, you know, unexpected situation to come up, or the misunderstanding. Something was either revealed to you, or something was said, or something you came across which has somewhere hurt you, or hurt your emotions, hurt the person involved, and that is why they are not reaching out. It's like no, you know. And for some of you it can also be a sudden unexpected thing which might happen in this connection. Oh, let's clarify this thing. Let's clarify Eight of Wands. Let's clarify Eight of Wands. Please clarify Eight of Wands here. Please clarify Eight of Wands here. Yeah, see, as I was saying, indecisiveness. Something happened which has kind of caused this person to, you know, be indecisive, whether to reach out or not to reach out, whether shall I make a move or not. Yeah, I think there is something which is, you know, making this person not to proceed forward, or maybe they are indecisive of making a choice because of whatever happened, and that is blocking this connection, because they are not able to decide what do they want what do they want from this connection going forward, and that is why they are not reaching out. And even if they reach out, it will be a very sudden communication. Let's see. Okay, so the communication is something, I think mostly I feel if the communication is happening, it may be out of physical attraction, it may be out of you know, having that passionate energy towards you, or you may have for the other person in this connection. But that is what I feel. If it is happening, it will be mostly because of too much of physical attraction towards each other, or one has for the other. Yeah. Okay, let's see what is the advice for you here, Aquarius. Advice for here is to be very, you know, self-loving. Focus on what is giving you happiness. Okay, don't Don't be in this energy where you are always struggling and you are not being understood. That is the basic advice. Okay, focus on self love, focus on what do you want, because something, definitely a positive thing is coming in your way. You just need to be very patient. Okay, be very mindful of what do you want, because see, nine of pentacles, 10 of pentacles. Okay, so whatever will happen will definitely turn out in your favor, but listen to what do you definitely want. Okay, whatever communication is coming towards you, just analyze it deeply and see, intuitively just figure out where it is going to take you. Is it going to take you towards what do you want, or is it something you are doing to please other person? Okay, because if you are doing something to please other person and that is not giving you peace and happiness, it's not worth doing it. Because whatever is meant to happen in a, good for you or for your person, it will not cause you trouble. Okay, if something is troubling you and you're doing something for the sake of, pleasing the other person, it's not good. Just ask yourself what do you want and then take a call. Because see, it's 9 and 10 of pentacles, which is saying that whatever, if you are looking for a long term connection, see what is important for you in that connection and then take a call. Okay, so that's the advice for you. We'll see some general messages for you, Aquarius. What's coming in? We'll take 3 messages. Okay, let's see what's coming in for you. Growth. Yeah, see, pentacles is all about, material things basically. So when for you the advice was 9 and 10 of pentacles. So see, the growth is definitely coming your way, but at the same time you need to see what is for your highest good. You need to listen to your intuition, focus on long term, and then make a decision. Peace. See, as I was saying, look, listen to your intuition, do what gives you peace. It can be emotional, peace, mental clarity, everything. So just focus on that. What is your calling? Okay, focus on that and then things will happen. Travel. There's also a travel coming in. I think either if you're planning to travel to a place which can help you to figure out or understand your own thoughts in a better way, just try to go there and see. You might get some, insights on what do you want. Okay, so if you're planning to do that, please go ahead and do that. That might also give you some more clarity on what you should do in your life for your highest good. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.